Welcome to our comparison of the Sweetcrispy and DUMOS Ice Makers. Today, we will dive into the features of these two popular countertop ice machines. Both promise quick ice production and portability, but which one will come out on top? Let's find out! When it comes to pricing, the Sweetcrispy Ice Maker is priced at $59.99, making it the more budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the DUMOS Ice Maker is available for $69.99. If you're looking to save a few bucks, Sweetcrispy is the way to go. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production capabilities. The Sweetcrispy can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while the DUMOS is slightly behind at 26 pounds. This means that Sweetcrispy has a slight edge in terms of ice output, making it ideal for larger gatherings. Both the Sweetcrispy and DUMOS ice makers come equipped with a self-cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who want to keep their machines clean without the hassle of manual cleaning. It's a win-win for both products. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and DUMOS ice makers offer great features for anyone in need of a countertop ice machine. The Sweetcrispy is a more affordable option with slightly better ice production, while the DUMOS offers a reliable alternative. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.